What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and as you can see I'm in my hotel room because I'm currently in Cupertino for the launch of iPhone 15 series, okay? It only happened yesterday and I saw the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Pro and of course the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I want to tell you guys a little bit about the design, what I like and I don't like about these devices. Now the highlight of the launch was definitely the iPhone 15, okay, because the iPhone 15 now comes with a brand new design and the back of the case is actually matte frosted glass, which feels really good, and of course it comes in a few colors and my favorite is actually the pink color, okay. Now of course the screen on the front comes in two sizes, 6.1 and also 6.7 inch. Same goes to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, both sizes are the same, 6.1 and 6.7 inch, but of course the iPhone 15 Pro Max and of course the Pro comes in titanium casing, which is like a lot lighter and it feels a lot nicer in the hand, because from my experience yesterday it feels very soft, but the brush metal feels really good and the curved edges definitely feels a lot nicer to hold than the 14 Pro and Pro Max, okay? Now of course when it comes to the new iPhone 15, either you get the 15 Pro or Pro Max, you will need to take care of the phone, because at the end of the day the back and the front of the phone are made out of glass and you need protection, okay? Now definitely you will say, but I love the pink color, I want to show off the pink color, you know. I also want to show off the natural titanium color, I want to show off the black titanium color. Yes, you can, but of course you need a casing that is transparent if you want to show those colors, right? Now of course in this video I want to talk about protection, okay? And when it comes to protection for the iPhone, we know who does it best. It's definitely Casetify, okay? And of course they have sent me a few cases for me to check out, which is made specially for the iPhone 15 and of course the 15 Pro and Pro Max. If you have been using Casetify cases for your iPhone 14, 13, 12 or whatever, I'm sure you know that they make really good cases which is very strong and sturdy, even protects your phone from drops. So with every new generation of iPhone, they actually release new cases for them, okay, with better and better protection. And in front of me here, there are a few casings, but I want to show you one that you've probably seen before. This is actually the Impact case, which is like quite thin and it's perfect for people who want to have a phone case but doesn't want it to be very thick, still want protection and fully customizable back, okay? And then I think last year they also launched the Bounce case. This is very special because the four corners actually has this little shape, right, to protect your phone from bounces when it drops. Apparently they actually used some material called EcoShock that actually absorbs vibration and also the impact when it hits the ground, okay? But of course, this thing, the Bounce case has been improved this year because I personally do not like a protection case that is very thick and heavy, and I think they also understand this point, hence this year they improved the Bounce case and it's actually 16% slimmer and yet still as strong as the previous generation. And of course the four corners are called EcoShock inner lining that actually helps to reduce and absorb impact, okay? And of course they have tested it before, which I can also show you in a bit because the test is actually quite fun to play with. And the back is actually also fully customizable, so if you want your name on it, also can. If you want to print designs on it, also can. But the reason you're here is because I want to show you something very new, okay? Along with the launch of iPhone 15, they actually also launched a new case called Ultra Bounce, and it's basically the strongest case they have ever created. So this is the Ultra Bounce case with a revolutionary Ultra Bounce corner. So this corner, as you can see, right, it's actually a little bit bigger and it has a more complex shape inside to absorb even more impact when you drop it, okay? And now this thing, you can actually drop it from the height of a maximum 32.8 feet and it still can protect your iPhone. So this Ultra Bounce casing, right, has 6 layers of protection, which includes camera lens cover, hard shell backplate, X-shaped EcoShock lining, Ultra Bounce corners, hard shell bumper and EcoShock inner lining. Okay, so in case you spend like 6,000-7,000 to buy the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, right, you don't want to break it, right? You need great protection for the phone, and definitely this will give you all the protection you need. As you can see, I can actually customize it with my own name. I can also customize it with some grid design. So without further ado, let me do the test and show you what is the difference between this EcoShock material that is used by Casetify compared to their competitors, okay? So I also have two metal balls here to drop on this piece of material to see how high the ball bounces, okay? Now, if the material can absorb impact, the ball will not bounce a lot. And if the material does not absorb impact, which means your phone will get all the impact when it drops, the ball will bounce higher. If you want to buy, you can click on the link in the description below, and don't forget to use my voucher code because it will entitle you with 15% discount. Very easy to remember, won't forget one, confirm, okay? And that is all I have for you today before I fly back to Malaysia tomorrow, okay? So if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below this video. See you in the next video. Yo!